Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Let's make a delicious recipe which is quick and easy to make yet scrumptious. Preheat your cooking pan and add oil. Let the flame be medium. Once the oil is heated up, add chopped onions. Saute onions until soft. Now add washed, clean, finely chopped cabbage. Saute continuously for about a minute on a high flame. Add salt and pepper powder as per the requirements and saute again for a minute or so. That's it. Once the cabbage is half cooked, it's ready to serve. Turn off the flame. You can also add finely chopped carrots and capsicums. It will enhance the flavor even better. In case you have tried this recipe, do let me know in the comments section below how you like it. Your comments mean the world to me. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.